question 42a. You have this diagram not drawn to scale. The diagram is a pentagon. Solve for x. This is a pentagon. It's not regular because all the sides are not equal. You have this as 70, 70, this as x, this as 2x, and this also has x. So how do we solve for x? These are all interior angles of a pentagon. And the formula that should come into your mind is the sum of interior angles of a pentagon. That if you have the sum of the angles, then you can say x plus 2x plus x plus 70 plus 70 should equal the sum. To better understand, let's just solve. You have the sum of interior angles of any polygon as n minus 2 in bracket times 180. You know, this is a pentagon, a 5-sided shape, though it's not regular. You have our n as 5. So rather than have n here, we'll be having 5 minus 2 in bracket times 180. 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180. 3 times 180 will give you 540. So the sum of all these angles should equal 540. Be it a regular pentagon or an irregular pentagon, the sum of interior angles is always the same. If you don't have it in your memory, you can solve for it. We then go to the next step where we say x plus 2x plus x plus 70 plus 70 should equal 540. So we have x plus 2x plus x plus 70 plus 70 should equal 540, which is the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon. This is just simply algebra. You collect like terms, then you solve for x. This is x plus 2x plus x. This is the same thing as 1x. 1x plus 2x will give you 3x. 3x plus 1x will give you 4x. So we have this as 4x. Then we have 70 plus 70. 70 plus 70 will give you 140 equals 540. We're looking for x, so we take this plus 140 over the equals sign, it turns to minus 140. But you know, standard in math, you say subtract 140 from both sides. You have 4x equals 540 minus 140. 4x equals 540 minus 140 will give you 400. Next, we get the coefficient of x, which is 4, of x, by dividing both sides by it. So we divide this side by 4 and this by 4. 4 cancels 4. X equals 400 divided by 4 will give you 100. X is therefore 100. So the answer to this question is 100 degrees. You could be asked to find 2x. And if you're asked to find 2x, since you know x as 100, you just multiply 2 by 100, then you get 200. And that's actually the largest of the interior angles. Hope you understand.